Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're excited to showcase a charming free font that's perfect for adding a personal, handcrafted touch to your designs. It's called One Little Font. Stick around as we walk you through a few design examples so you can see it in action. This handwritten typeface features smooth, flowing strokes that bring warmth and friendliness to any project. Whether you're working on a logo, a social media post, or a wedding invitation, One Little Font delivers just the right mix of playful and elegant. It's also super versatile, perfect for both print and digital formats, and easy to pair with other fonts. Use it for branding, packaging, posters, anywhere you want that creative, human feel. And the best part, it's totally free and quick to install. Ready to bring your next project to life? Download One Little Font now, the link's in the description below. If you enjoy discovering high-quality free fonts like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update.